There's another view up here. If you go that way off to the right, I don't know if you know about that.
I feel like we might need to put the spikes on.
I'm thinking the same thing. Why take a chance?
Yeah, it's
right?
getting a little too much.
Yeah. Sweet. This is it.
Oh, I think we're here. So make sure we don't need to go that way.
Nope, nope. Straight ahead, man. I remember this. Yeah.
Okay. I feel like we might need to put the spikes on the way.
I'm thinking the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to just do it?
Yeah. I'm thinking the same thing. Why take a chance?
Yeah, it's getting a little too much.
Yeah.
Alright, spiked off, I think.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like. You can always just carry them, Ben. That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
I can carry yours if you want me to, too.
No, that's fine.
So,
Thank you, though.
Well, we know about putting them on the way down, so, you know.
Yeah.
Finally made it.
Yeah. We kept stopping along the way.
No worries.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is a great view up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice.
Not a bad hike.
Yeah, for sure.
There's another view up here. If you go that way off to the right, I don't know if you know about that.
No, I don't.
I was up here one day and I met this lady up here. She was probably in her 70s. She says, "Do you know the secret view up here or something, or the hidden view?" No. And she took us there. And she turned around and she had like 8 patches on her back. She was in the 52 of the view committee or something. So it's somewhere, it's up here. We're going to try to find it. It's another view, kind of view of east, I think. So. Perfect. Yeah.
Just taking a break on my way down Israel right now. After we get down, we're gonna go to the nearby Beede Falls. Nice little waterfall that's just past the trailhead as well.